chaps, we got the transit. Russell's welded the transit and got an M.O.T for it. It's had extensive work all around the footwells. It was rotten as a pear. You can see back there. Lots of new steel. Yeah. Russ, if you're watching this, mate, thank you for your hard work. Russell came over to my house twice during the last week. The end of a hard, grueling day, dealing with other cars and this one. Black fingers, black everywhere from doing welding. But took it for the first M.O.T. Vosa was there and they found some more rot, filler, etc. So back it went again, more work, and it got its M.O.T. Yesterday evening. So we've got 12 months M.O.T on the transit, and we're now filling it in with the contents of the tent, and then we're going to take the tent down. Gavin's here and filling the van up. Then we're going to go and get an engine crane from Machine Mart, buy an engine crane, and then we're going to go to the unit. Gav's bought a toolbox, so yeah, actions, stations, all go now. Hang on, dude, let me just put this in first. How long has this been up now? About 4 weeks?
Yeah. Didn't go anywhere.
No, it stayed, didn't it?
And we had some really bad wind.
Yeah, we had some wind, man. Okay, dude.
Drop it in, dude.
Oops. Leave it, dude. Oh, hold on. Yeah.
Put a bit of tape on it, dude.
Yeah, man.
Dude.
First ride in the transit, dude. We're going down on the M5 motorway south from West Bromwich to Halesowen. We're going to turn right and then we're going to go to Brierley Hill to pick Paul up, and the three of us are then going to drive in the transit to the unit to unload everything. We were going to go and pick up the engine crane, but it's not going to fit in the back of the van because Gav and I have stuffed it, and the estate agent's going to come and take a meter reading for the electric, and that's pretty much today's work, isn't it? We're going to check if there's a phone line so we can get the internet installed.
We can also pick up my thingy from the house, can't we?
Get your toolbox.
My toolbox. I've got a new toolbox, everyone. I've got no tools to put in it yet, but I've got the box.
I'll tell you what, man, this transit, although we've only done 2 miles in it, the driving style for it is beautiful, man.
It's
the layout is so smooth, and it feels like I'm driving a freaking tanker. Because I've been driving the Beetle all this while. This feels enormous.
Enormous.
Enormous. It's pulling to the left a bit though, so it might.
Yeah, I think it needs some tracking, dude.
Tracking. Check the tyre pressure as well. Sweet. That's Paul. Say hi to the camera, Paul.
Hello everyone.
Some of them will remember Paul when he helped us build that engine, the 1600 Ford engine.
And drive Kate like an old man.
Oh yeah, great.
Yeah,
Driving Miss Daisy. Good episode that was.
I've had my days, man, driving cars. That's,
Yeah.
When we went go-karting though, did we go go-karting together?
No, I don't think we have, no.
Or was it cycling? We went cycling and we kept prodding you, and eventually you went nuts, man.
I did, didn't I? I did that massive jump off that rock.
Yeah.
Did you hurt yourself?
That was alright actually, clean landing. It was good.
I was with Ryan.
Yeah.
So yeah, man, the unit.
Brian Rallo.
That's
Ryan
the one,
Barlow.
yeah.
Brian Rallo. What again?
The blotch.
The blotch.
Alright, dude. Have you drove a Transit before?
No.
How are you feeling about it?
Well, it's just a car, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well,
Make sure you
in.
take it out. Put your clutch in, dude. Put the clutch down.
Yeah?
That's it, dude. Sweet. He's got it. Do you reckon, man?
Fucking amazing. It's absolutely enormous, isn't it?
It's bigger than the garage, isn't it? The home
So what's the
garage.
purpose of this area here then? So
Probably storage, man.
Yeah.
Sensitive item storage, I don't know. Or you could just keep stock there if you need stock.
drum kits.
Drum kit, yeah, maybe do a gig up there, yeah. Alright, dude! Everybody needs a little sunshine.
I'll help you, mate. I'll hold it there, mate.
Right, now the engine. If this is good, isn't it? Alright. We've got things to hold on to, and he's got the gearbox. Yes.
Can you lift it? Lift it.
Yeah, I've got it.
Come down with us. Let go, Paul.
Let go.
That's it, let go.
Okay.
Well done, dude.
Now just scoot it forward.
Okay, that's it.
There you go.
Fucking hell, it's just saved 190 quid. We'll need an engine crane eventually.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, jeez, right.
When it flips up, don't grab it, mate.
What do you mean?
I'll push
Just
it
drag it,
down.
man. Drag it.
I've got an aluminium sign coming, 12 foot by 3 foot, all the way up there with Classic Carbs UK. We're gonna get Gav's toolbox out, aren't we, dude?
Yeah, man.
Your
I can't
new-
wait to
your
see
new
it.
shiny toolbox.
I'm excited.
Where's the light switch?
Now we'll have to go around. and put the light on that we use when we run on the roof. All the lights are
The freaking lights.
there you go. That one light is brighter than all the lights in here.
Yeah. There's Kate.
Yeah.
There's all of Kate's bits.
There's the keys right there.
The three of us manhandled the engine. That's a little 1600 Ford that we rebuilt from seized. 73, 74 horsepower. And these are all Kate's insides. So they're the wheels. Gonna open the other light. So yeah, this is an exciting time. Moving into a bigger place, yeah, and doing things. Nice moon tonight. If you can see that.
It will go sideways, will it?
It's a bro moonlight night tonight.
Is it gonna? Gonna?
Dude, what make is the toolbox? The tool chest? Oh, it's Halford's, yeah?
Yeah.
Halford's own. 100 quid, dude.
100 quid, half
You
price.
need to put a link at the bottom of the video, dude. If anyone else fancies it.
No, because they're discontinued now.
Oh, okay.
That's
Don't
why it
put
was
a
half
link in.
price. This way up. Yeah. Here you go.
Come on then, let's have a look at this beaut.
Yeah. I'm excited now.
We haven't got a stand now.
We've got hands. We're animals.
We might use the box, man. It's like two kids under a Christmas tree.
What's that? What's the keys?
Here comes your keys as well, dude.
Oh, man. Catch.
I can't catch, dude. I'm filming.
Oh,
That
shit.
was horrible.
We try and lift it out of the box.
Rip it off.
Ooh, it's got rubber thing on here.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, we should be able to wheel this out.
Make it into a TV stand.
Yeah, there are wheels.
Yeah.
Wheels, yeah.
Could be.
Are they inside somewhere maybe?
Oh, we've got to assemble it.
Oh, they're probably in the drawers.
Possibly.
Yeah.
But leave it on the cardboard. Nothing gets damaged.
That looks beautiful, dude. How professional.
Yeah. I didn't know it was a professional range. That's even better.
So who's going to be using it?
It's all for me. Fuck you.
You can put another middle box and then a top box on it.
Yeah, and then
And how much are those?
150 for the top, 200 for the middle.
Freaking hell, dude.
But these have been discontinued now. So where are the wheels in? They must be in the drawer, aren't they?
Got to be, yeah.
Because on the picture there's wheels, isn't there?
Yeah, I can see it. There's a cardboard box in the bottom one there, look.
There's a handle.
Ooh, it's got a handle. Gav's going to be taking that with him to shopping now and everywhere. He's going to be walking up and down the aisles of Waitrose with his little
I got a
shopping
good deal
trolley.
on this. This should have been £200, man.
£200?
Yeah, and I got it for 100.
Bargain.
Well done, dude. Right, dudes, we're going to carry on with this assembly, and we'll see you in the next vid. We're going to be bringing Kate here in the next vid, because we've had to hold back on our spending because of all of this, and Russell and I have agreed something different. So Kate's going to come here for a little while, and all the tools and etc. is going to come here, and the business. So goodbye to you dudes. I'm gonna lads, I'm just saying that we're gonna wrap up now, yeah? So just say goodbye to everyone here. Bye!
Bye everyone.
See you again.